Sometimes only one worker should run a task at a time. Redis gives you a simple correct distributed lock if you know the one command to use. A correct lock needs 4 things. Only one holder at a time, an atomic acquire, automatic release if the holder dies, and release only by the owner. Miss any of these and you get races or deadlocks. Here's the lifecycle. You acquire with a single set command. NX means set only if the key is absent, and EX gives it a 10-second time to live, both in one atomic step. You do your work, then delete the key to release. And crucially, if your worker crashes before releasing, the TTL frees the lock for you. Watch 2 workers race for the same lock. The first set returns OK, it acquired the lock. The second returns nil, because NX refuses to overwrite an existing key. Only one worker proceeds. When it's done, delete releases the lock. So here's the review checklist. If you see SETNX followed by a separate expire, flag it. A crash in between leaves a lock with no TTL, and that deadlocks everyone after. The right pattern is a single set with NX and EX, a unique token, and an owner check on release. To recap, acquire with a single set NX, EX command, always set a TTL so a crash can't deadlock, and when you review code, reject the SETNX, then expire pattern and any lock without a time to live.